Hey Masterminds, this is Brother Dale Moss here. I've had some people already asking me questions in regards to how to submit your project one from the Desmos scenario. Hopefully you guys got my messages, a couple of them regarding the link or even the password or code word to get into Desmos. As long as you follow those scenarios, hopefully you got the second one. I also put in Tuesday's tips today that you got, and you can refer to that too to make it sure it happens. Now, people are asking how to submit this, even though it's not due until next week. You have to go back to submitting it in week 8 thing here. Now, it is a little bit confusing, so that's why I thought I would create this video for you guys to show you. Up here, after you've gotten your Desmo project done in Desmos, and it'll show me whether you've got it completed or not in there if I go back and look. But in order for me to make sure that you get it done, go back to the week 8 project 1 submission where it has the rubric and all that stuff too, and follow the instructions here. So up here in the upper right hand corner it says submit assignment. So if you click on this, okay, and then down here where it says, down on the part it says submit your project below to alert your instructor you have completed the assignment. To do so, please just copy and paste the following into the assignment box. So you're just sitting there, you're going to highlight this, you're going to copy it, okay? And you're going to go down here in the box right here, and you paste it, and then all you're going to do is hit the submit button, and it's going to be done. You can also add a link from your Desmos or whatever it says here you could do. There's other options if you want to make sure it happens, but like anything like that would work out here. It says make certain that you have drawn the home at least. Okay, I was just sitting there, it says this project week 9 scenario, just making sure, but then you just hit submit assignment and that will let me know that it's done. If you have a file that you could add on to it, I don't know if you can save your project from Desmos on there or not, but also a link to your assignment could also be added here, and then hit submit assignment. So I hope that answers your questions, and all of you are enjoying doing this little project. And if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact me, and have a good day.